Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and see again I am here to teach you the lifestyle in desert. That in last videos that I said that life is very difficult, that we can spend our life in the desert areas. There in day the temperature is very high, at night also the temperature is quite cold. So it's a very difficult that we can spend our life on desert areas. That's why the many few plants are also grown there. So because due to the scarcity, hardly we can there is only 2-3 plants. In fact, the bushes and thorny plants are found there. Plants such as cactus, kikar and bugul, which requires very little amount of water. That's why it grows in the desert area. Water is in the desert is in fact the water what we found on the desert areas, that water is also salty and it is not good for the plant. So that's why the desert plants are always usually thorny, and they have long roots which deeps down to the groundwater and which takes the groundwater. Now just come to the page number 29. So just keep your pencil in your hand and let's start the new topic. Now, in some places oases are found. Now, in desert area we can see that in some places that oases are found. You can see the picture an oasis in Thar desert. Here it is in your book in the right side corner. Now you can see that water is there. Now what is oasis? Now an oasis is a place in desert where underground water comes to the surface. Oasis is what you can underline, that an oasis. From an oasis, it is in your first line, page number 29. So if anyone asks that what is oasis, then you will say that an oasis is a place in desert. It is a place in desert where the underground waters, it comes to the surface, means from the underground water it comes to the surface. That water is called oasis. Here date palm grow. This also you can underline, like date palms grow here, and most villages in a desert are clustered around these oases. Now I'm just repeating. You also see that from where you have to underline, from and you have to underline till oasis. Now I'm repeating. Please see that if you have missed, then you can do it again. An oasis is a place in a desert where underground water comes to the surface. Date palm grow here, and most villages in a desert are clusters around these oases. Now here what we can find oasis. Oasis is what? It is a place in a desert which we can get water from the underground to the surface. Here date palms plant will grow, and in fact the mostly villages in a desert, they just clustered, means they just scattered on that areas, on these oases, so that easily they can go there and they can find the water. Since a desert has very little vegetation to hold the soil in place, when a wind blows it carries sand with it, causing dust and storms. Now since a desert is what desert have a very little vegetation, so that it can hold the soils, but when the wind blows, if any light things, it can flow and it can go in another places, and that is called dust storms. These dust storms cause sand dunes, means this if the wind blows, the sand will go, and the sand will also flow and it goes from the another place, and that it can form what? Sand dunes. Sand dunes means small hills of sands, means the hills you can see that which is made with soil to move from one place to another. So it goes and then it can make the sand dunes and it can move from one place to another. Next is, to solve the water problem faced by the people of desert, the government has built the Indira Gandhi Canal. Now some people are also there, they just lived on the desert areas and they can't live because the water is very important and it is very essential. So that's why to solve this problem, that the scarcity of water, the government has built the dam, the Indira Gandhi Canal, means here the water is stored. So if anybody wants water, they can go and they can take from there, and in fact they can use that water for irrigation to produce electricity. So that's why the government has built the Indira Gandhi Canal. You can underline that to solve the problem from here, to solve the problem, water problem, to solve the water problem faced by the people of desert, the government has built the Indira Gandhi Canal. The government has built the Indira Gandhi Canal. To solve the water problem faced by the people of the desert, the government has built the Indira Gandhi Canal. This canal gets its water supply from the river Satluj and its tributaries. Now this canal it gets water from where? It gets the water from the river Satluj and its tributaries. Tributaries means that small rivers which flows from the Satluj rivers. The canal has eased the problem to water storage faced by household and farms. The more land has been brought under cultivation. This canal is what it can solve the problem, and it can face this the water storage of the households and of the farmers who has a land, and they can brought water from there, and they can cultivate also. They can cultivate crops like wheat. Underline that from here, the crops where we can find the Indira Gandhi Canal, because water is there, and so that's why they can get water from the Indira Gandhi canals, and they can grow crops. Then they can grow crops like wheat, barley, maize, jowar and bajra are grown here. So these are the crops which grows in the desert areas. So underline, again I am repeating, crops like wheat, barley, maize, jowar and bajra are grown here. So these are the rivers which grow, these are the crops which grown in the desert areas. The next topic is the importance of desert, that why the desert is important, that we will see in the next class, means tomorrow, means day after tomorrow, next class. Till that you can stay at home, and once the online class will over, please go through the chapter and you can read your book once again, and whatever I told you to underline, that you can focus because that is important. Maybe it will help you in the next classes, and whatever the homework I will give you, that you have to complete on in your fair copy. So till chapter 3 if you have completed, then 4 new words are there that you can complete it in your fair copy, and it should be in good handwriting and legible handwriting. And please stay at home, don't go outside, and please enjoy your online classes as well as quality time with your family members. And again I will back so to teach you the importance of desert. But before that I am teaching you, also read this topic, and then it will help you, and you will understood very easily. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.